Rideshare is one type of transportation. It is one way that you can get from one place to another. Rideshare uses private vehicles that are driven by their owners. There are several different rideshare companies, and there may be new ones in the future. While each company and their app is a little different, there are some things to know about how all rideshare works. To use rideshare, you must set up an account with the company you want to use. Your account is linked to how you will pay for your rides, such as your bank account or credit card. When you want to take rideshare to go somewhere, you make a request using the app on your smartphone or computer. You enter your current location where you want to be picked up and the address of the place you want to go. The app then matches you with a driver who picks you up at your location and takes you to the place you want to go. Because payment is made through your online account, you do not pay the driver when the ride starts or ends. There are many things that people like about using rideshare. First, it can help you get to more places. For example, if you don't want to drive and don't have anyone else that can take you, or if the place you want to go is too far to walk or somewhere that public transportation doesn't go. Second, rideshare is direct and fast. You can go door to door, right from the place you are at to the place you want to go, without having to walk from a bus or train stop or transfer and take more than one bus or train. This can be especially helpful at night or when the weather is bad. Rideshare doesn't use set schedules. You can request a ride any time of day or night. This helps people be more spontaneous and go places they want to go, even if they haven't planned in advance. Finally, some people like that there are few people to interact with. There is usually only one driver with rideshare versus public transportation where there may be many people waiting at stations or on the bus or train. There are also things that people don't like about rideshare. One is that it is very expensive compared to other types of transportation. Going somewhere that may cost $1 or $2 on the bus or train might cost $10 or $20 using rideshare. The farther away the place you want to go, the more expensive it will be. Because rideshare is paid directly through your online account, it can be easy to forget about the cost and spend more than you want to. It's important to make careful decisions about which trips are worth spending the money to use rideshare and which are not. Some people don't feel comfortable with rideshare drivers, who can be any person in the community. Usually it is a different driver and different car every time you use rideshare. While rideshare companies work hard to make sure that drivers are safe and polite, each driver has a different personality, type of car, and way of driving that may not always feel comfortable and safe. Just like any time you are out in the community or using any type of transportation, people using rideshare need to use good judgment and follow safety rules. It's important to stay aware of your surroundings, avoid dangerous situations, and ask for help when needed. So remember, rideshare is a type of transportation that takes you where you want to go using private vehicles driven by their owners. You request, manage, and pay for rides using an online account. People like that rideshare can get them to more places and is fast and direct. People dislike that rideshare can be expensive and there is a different car and driver each time. It's important to stay aware of your surroundings, avoid dangerous situations, and follow safety rules when using rideshare.